Hey guys, we are back today for another video. And look at this. The lake has been frozen over by the snowstorm. But guys, I'm going to do something. Oops. There it goes. Swung back. Right? Now let's look. Wait guys, I'll let you know what I'm doing. Guys, this is the map. So far it's still growing. You guys see this right here? That means something. And we are gonna look off in the distance. See what's happening there. So, okay, I'm just turn. Now I'm gonna go towards it. I'll let you know when I see the distance or when I get there. What's it got here? Look at that. That is an iceberg. So let's head over. Guys. Oh, wait, guys, what just happened? Must be a border. Luckily, we've got to it. There's a border of the map. Apparently, I made this map. The map is endless. Now let's go. Wait, guys, I'm waiting. Whoa, guys, look. This is a crowded place. You don't even have a table. Okay. Now I gotta go up. Hey guys, so I hope you enjoy today's first video. I'll see you in the next one. In 3, 2, 1. Peace.